pa rin natin dito. Dapat hindi
Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Antique. The local time is traffic 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and the date today is 21st of October 2025 on a Tuesday. We are pleased to announce that we are 15 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. Remain seated with your seatbelt security fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly reminder of this embarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. Please commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead storage bins to retrieve your items, as this may have shifted during the flight. Remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance like wheelchair, please deplane last. Our cabin attendants will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Sullivan, Assistant First Officer Jesus, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.